Hello my friends, today I'm going to share with you my 6 healthy cooking tips that can help make a delicious, sabroso, low-calorie meal. So I will share the tips as I prepare a lean beef teriyaki stir fry and show you how easy it can be. I am Manuel, a weight loss expert, culinary dietitian, food lover, and author of 7 cookbooks that focus on low-calorie and flavorful cooking. As a Peruvian, taste is everything to me. So here I am going to share with you my 6 healthy tips so you can have low-calorie meals that are explosive and delicious. So now let's get cooking. Healthy cooking tip 1. Use healthier cooking techniques. First up, we're cooking our sirloin steak, which is lean cut, in the air fryer. This method uses less oil or none than traditional frying, reducing the fat content significantly, while keeping the meat juicy and flavorful. I wrap the steak with a teaspoon of sesame oil, cumin, sea salt, pepper, and I cook the beef in the preheated air fryer for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So now, healthy cooking tip number 2. Use minimal oil and broth for your cooking. When cooking skillets and stir fries, I use a teaspoon of oil. In this case, I'm using sesame oil, which is fantastic for adding the authentic nutty flavor to our stir fry. So after, I will add some broth as the vegetables are sauteing. This combination, oil and broth, allow us to use less oil while still achieving delicious, rich flavors and keeping the calorie content low. The broth not only helps cook the vegetables evenly, but also adds moisture and enhances the overall flavor without needing extra fat. Healthy cooking tip number 3. Include a ton of vegetables in your recipes. Enhance your meals by integrating vegetables directly into them. For my stir fries and skillets, I normally double the vegetables. Here I'm adding a mix of onions, carrots, celery, bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes. Integrating a variety of vegetables not only enhances the dish nutrients and colors, but also helps fill you up with fewer calories. Cooking tip number 4. Enhance flavors with herbs and spices. To season our stir fry, I'm using a robust blend of ginger, garlic, cumin, paprika, and just a touch of sea salt and pepper. And then we end up with cilantro and green onions. These natural seasonings add incredible flavor without the need for adding extra fats and sugar. So healthy cooking tip number 5 is smart swaps. Make intelligent substitutions in your meals to drastically cut calories. Replace mayonnaise with Greek yogurt in your dressings and dips, and you'll save approximately 90 calories per tablespoon. To finish, I am drizzling my latest recipe, low-calorie teriyaki sauce, over the beef. The link of the low-calorie teriyaki sauce is on my blog. The link is below in the description. Remember, choosing low-calorie condiments is a great way to enrich flavors. Now add the beef to the pan and mix well with all these colorful vegetables. But last but not least, my healthy cooking tips number 6. Go for whole grains. When choosing a side that will go with your stir fries, choose grains like black rice, red rice, quinoa, or farro over common choices like white rice. This time, I'm choosing red rice. Eating a cup of red rice can indeed be more satisfying than a cup of white rice, due to the content of fiber and protein, and it's nutrient dense. So you will cut the calories of the meals if using red or black rice. And there you go, 6 healthy cooking tips that will help you make low-calorie meals that are nourishing and delightful. If you would like more low-calorie meals and weight loss tips, visit my blog at manuelvillacorta.com. Implement these tips in your cooking and let me know in the comments which tips are you doing and what tips are you doing that I haven't mentioned. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching, and always remember, stop dieting, start living.